My name is Lillian. I've always wanted to be a scientist since I can remember. For my DT project, I wanted to experiment with safe chemicals at home and make my own natural cleaning product. I had to research what products were safe to mix in my home. I had to research what potential hazards even the natural and safe products might have. The ingredients of my product are witch hazel, vinegar, baking soda, and lemon essential oil. Today I will demonstrate the product I invented. Here are the hazards up front. The parts and the product of this experiment today are not meant to be consumed, even though some are used in foods. If you swallow a small amount of witch hazel, you can get a tummy ache. If you have a large dose, you will get liver problems, so don't drink witch hazel. Vinegar is a very strong irritant, so be careful pouring it. Lemon essential oil makes your skin sun sensitive. Large amounts of lemon essential oil can be a skin irritant. Baking soda is edible, but consuming large amounts will make you vomit and get diarrhea. So put on your gloves and goggles, and remember, no eating this cleaning product. It's a choice to put on gloves, but you have to put on goggles. The ingredients are 1/4 cup of baking soda. This is gonna be hard to get it in. Oh, maybe I should do it over here. Make sure whenever you're pouring the baking soda, do it over the bowl so you do not spill it anywhere, because I'm sure your mom will probably get mad at you for that. In a large bowl, I will add the liquid solution slowly into the baking soda and combine it well with a metal spoon.
It's
1/4 cup of baking soda. The next we will add 1/8 cup of vinegar. 1/8 cup. You might want help from an adult whenever you pour the vinegar, but I've done this plenty of times, so I don't really need help. I need help getting it open. It's a pretty new bottle.
Just go slowly.
Oh, I have to. Exactly.
Is that what?
Well, it's a little over,
Okay.
but it's okay.
Oh, you're gonna add something to that first?
I also add 2 tablespoons of witch hazel. And I will combine the vinegar with witch hazel and lemon essential oil. So, witch hazel smells amazing, which is part of the smell in the cleaning product.
Go to the table.
Vinegar is not part of the good smelling part of this. Oops.
Nice and slow.
Maybe I should do it over again. If you make a mess, someone's gonna clean it.
Is that why the surface is protected with a tablecloth?
Yes, that is why. Where should I put this? What? large bowl, I will add the. Wait, I haven't done that. 10 drops. In a large bowl, I will add the liquid. Yeah.
Okay.
Just edit out the parts that.
No, we're not editing anything. This is live TV right here.
No!
So what are you adding to the witch hazel and the vinegar?
I'm adding 10 drops of lemon essential oil. And if it goes over, it's fine.
If it goes over 10 drops, 11
Yeah.
is okay? Okay.
Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. There. What I like to do is sometimes I like to stop for a minute to see how much I've done and then go again so I don't go too much over.
Now,
In a large bowl, I will add the liquid solution slowly into the baking soda and combine it well with a metal spoon. And don't worry, it will not explode in your face.
it will fizz.
It will fizz though. It's like a bath bomb at first. And Mom, afterwards we're gonna have a little cleaning to do. It will kind of, if you know what oobleck is, it'll kind of feel like that. Just mix it for a little bit till it's all together. See, it should be at this consistency. Now I will brush my product, which I call Cleanify. Onto a dirty object really well with an old toothbrush. Where's the bad part again? Right here?
Yep.
You gotta brush
You
it.
can do the whole tooth. Just put a whole bunch on there and then brush it in real good.
You wanna brush it in real good till you barely see any white anymore. You want to brush it in really good. As I said, no, you don't want any white. And you want to have a lot on there too, just to get it out. Oops. After it sits for 5 minutes, I will wipe off the extra objects. And rinse off and wipe. After it sits for 5 minutes, I will wipe off the extra and rinse off the object in water. So you don't have to wait here for 5 minutes while I let my Cleanify do the work. I will use this other dirty object that I've already treated with Cleanify earlier. It looks better. Wait.
Wrong way. You want to see me?
How? So you don't have to wait here for 5 minutes. I will let my Cleanify do the work. I will use this other dirty object that I already treated with Cleanify earlier. Maybe I'll splash a little on here just to get the parts that I can't really dip in. If you want to put on your gloves for this part, that's totally okay. It looks better and smells much better.